In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage channel management permissions in Slack admin. Managing channel permissions is an important part of keeping a Slack workspace organized and secure. By default, standard members can often create public or private channels, archive channels, and remove members from channels. That might be fine for smaller teams, but in larger organizations, it can quickly lead to clutter, duplicate channels, and unnecessary risk. If you want tighter control, this is where Slack's channel management permissions come in. Just keep in mind that you'll need to be a workspace owner or workspace admin to access these settings. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Once you're inside your workspace, go to the top left corner of the sidebar and click on your workspace name. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, hover over Settings and Administration, and then click Workspace Settings. This will take you to the Administrative Settings dashboard, which usually opens in a browser window. Once the dashboard has loaded, look near the top of the Settings and Permissions page and click on the Permissions tab. This area contains the controls for what different users in your workspace are allowed to do. After that, scroll down until you find the section called Channel Management. On the far right of that section, click Expand so you can view the available options. Now you can customize your channel policies. In the expanded section, you'll see separate drop-down menus for different channel-related actions. These include who can create public channels, who can create private channels, who can archive channels, and who can remove members from public or private channels. For each one, choose the permission level that matches your team's policy. For example, if you want stronger oversight, you can limit these actions to workspace admins and owners only. This helps reduce accidental changes and keeps channel structure more consistent across the workspace. Take a moment here to review each setting carefully before moving on. It's a good idea to make sure your choices align with how your team collaborates and how much control you want standard members to have. When you're done, scroll to the bottom of the expanded section and click the green Save button. As soon as you save, your new